Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today, the latest iOS 26 has been launched on iPhone. How to install it, and then watch the performance of this video. Here is a list of iPhone models that can use this iOS 26. To update this OS, first click on Settings. Then click on the next option, the General option. Then there is Software Update. Click on it. If you click on it, click on Beta Update. If you see iOS 26 Developer Beta, under Beta Update, select it. Select it and back. Press it. Now look, this software update available. Now click on Update Now. Now enter your passcode. Type the passcode with the number here. Then, this iOS 26 beta has started downloading. If you see this, it will take 20 minutes to 30 minutes. After downloading this mobile, it will turn off and turn on again. After turning it on, see now. The update has been done. This iOS 26 beta version has been updated. What are the features in this? We can see that in the next video. Thank you.